Ever pondered over how to create a PayPal account? Well, today might be your lucky day. This video will guide you through the process of setting up your very own PayPal account. First things first, head over to the PayPal website. Click on the Sign Up button, usually found at the top right corner of the web page. This action will direct you to the Account Selection page. Here, choose between a personal or business account. A personal account is perfect for online shopping and receiving money from friends and family. On the other hand, a business account suits those who plan to sell products or services, even under a company name. Once you've made your choice, hit Next. You will then be asked to fill out some personal information. This includes your legal first and last name, your email address, and a secure password. Make sure to use a strong password, combining letters, numbers, and symbols to enhance security. After completing this step, press Next again. You'll be required to enter more personal information like your address, city, state, and zip code. It's necessary to provide accurate information because PayPal uses it for security checks and account verification. Now it's time to agree to the user agreement and privacy policy. It's always a good idea to read these documents thoroughly. Once you've done so, click on Agree and Create Account. The next step involves linking your credit or debit card to your PayPal account. This is an optional step and can be skipped. However, linking a card allows for easier transactions in the future. After this, you'll encounter a security challenge. This is simply to verify that you're not a robot. Complete the challenge and voila, you've successfully created a PayPal account. To summarize, creating a PayPal account involves a few simple steps. Start by visiting the PayPal website and clicking on Sign Up. Choose the type of account that suits your needs, either personal or business. Fill in the necessary personal information, agree to the user agreement and privacy policy, and create your account. Optionally, you can link your credit or debit card for easier transactions. Complete the security challenge and you're all set. Remember, PayPal is a secure way to make online transactions, but it's also your responsibility to keep your account safe. Always use a strong password and never share your login details with anyone. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating your very own PayPal account. No more waiting, it's time to join the PayPal community. Enjoy the convenience of secure online transactions right at your fingertips.